Today, we unravel the mystery behind Precision Approach Path Indicator, PAPI lights. Whether you're a VFR or IFR pilot, understanding these lights is key to a stable final approach. 4 horizontal lights indicate your glide path. 2 red and 2 white signify the ideal angle. All white, you're high as a kite. All red, you're dead. As we glide toward the runway, the approach lighting system with sequenced flashers, ALSF, enhances visibility. These lights play a crucial role in ensuring a safe descent and approach. Understanding these systems is paramount for aviation safety. Thanks for watching. See you next time.